Hello guys, how are you? It's your guy Crash here. As you can see, this is Money Heist Vision 5, okay? The genius. As you can see, previously we've been catching spikes on Boom 1000 index, okay? As I'm recording live, I'm trading Boom 1000 index right now. And I'm going to make money right now, okay? I just got a signal on my WhatsApp. So here's the signal now on the indicator. Okay, so let's wait for the final confirmation. This is the first signal, and then we have to wait for the second signal. From there we execute. Okay, so now let me buy without any waste of time. I'm going to open as many positions as I can because I know this indicator is 100% accurate. Okay, so let's buy guys. Even those who has my indicators, those who bought my indicators, they are buying. We are making money, guys. In my cycle we make money. We are not here to play. So let's wait and see, guys. I'm not going to say a lot of things. I was not available for the past few days. I was on vacation. Okay, so I'm back on business right now. So let's continue, guys. Let's wait and see. And if you can listen attentively, okay, the indicator is telling me to buy, okay, to buy and to close the positions. The indicator is talking to me. Listen very attentively, and then you'll hear what I'm talking about. As you can see right here, we are still on negative. Okay, we don't have to panic. We don't panic this side. We trust our indicators. These ones are the geniuses. Okay, so let's wait and see, guys. You know I'm a man of actions. I don't talk too much, so let's wait and see. And before I forget, guys, those who are tired of losing money on Deriv, or those who are tired of their 9 to 5 jobs, and those who are fighting for a better life, I'm the guy to talk to. I'm the guy to talk to. As you can see, guys, we are still on negative. Okay, I'm the guy to talk to. If you want to make money on Deriv, talk to me. I'm the only person who was able to break Deriv's algorithm. I was the only person. They can tell you in Africa. Everyone knows me. So I'm going to prove that to you right now. We are about to make money. I'm 100% certain about that. We are about to make money right now, guys. So let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. And good luck to my students. Good luck to my students. We are making money, guys. We are making money. So let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. What is this? What is this? This is how we make money, guys, every day. WhatsApp +2776 955 0624.